Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching us from. My good name is a Kenyan creative all the way from Kenya, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can give someone access to your YouTube channel without having to give them password to your email account. Now this is very important because I used to manage people's account by having them give me their passwords to their email, which is a bit tricky because you can read their emails and that is absolutely invading their privacy. So in today's video, you're going to learn on how you can give someone access to your YouTube channel without giving them the password to your Gmail or your email account. Right, so I'm going to navigate to my YouTube page. So this is youtube.com. Of course, what you can see is what I've been watching. So I'll navigate to your channel. In this case, I'm going to click on the left tab, your channel, and this is going to redirect me to my own YouTube channel page. All right, so you can see this is my page. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on customize channel, and this leads me to a tab whereby now I can access the YouTube studio. As you can see here, it's reading YouTube Creator Studio. All right, so after clicking on customize channel, it leads me to this tab. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to settings, and then I'm going to navigate to the permissions. You can see permissions here. Click on permissions, and then this is where now I can invite someone to manage my channel. Right, so when you read, they're telling you when you give people permissions on your channel, they can upload, comment, and take other public actions. They can also view private or hidden content. So in other words, these guys can be like, they can see the behind the scenes of your channel, but they don't have access to your email password. All right, so this is a good way of giving people access to your YouTube channel without allowing them to actually use your email password. So click on invite, and then use an email that you want. In this case, you can say Creative Kenya at gmail.com. This is not a YouTube account, but it's just for example. Then on the access, you can see the different levels for the access. You can make them to be a viewer, a subtitle editor, an editor which is limited, an editor, or a manager. In this case, I think the manager has a lot of rights. You can see they can actually delete content, which is not safe. I think you can actually allow them to be an editor, in that they cannot manage permissions or delete their content, or if not, you can let them be an limited editor, in that they cannot see the revenue data. Now this is actually important, and then you click on done, and then you click on save. All right, once you click on save, you'll be done. In this case, I don't want to do that because this is actually not a real Gmail account. It's only for an example. All right, so once you click on save, they'll be able to accept the invitation. If they accept the invitation, then they will now get access to the channel depending on what level you have set them here. This is actually something amazing, in that you can actually even remove access. You know, if maybe they don't do a good work or you have issues with them,